Today, I'm going to show you how to make Omen mask from Valorant using cardboard, tissue paper, eco bag, and paints. Okay, so the first thing to do is go to JetteCrafts.com and then click here, scroll down and click this download pattern button. Then after that, click here, and when you click that, the download will start. Then you can open this file. And then right click here and extract here. Then you can print the file using this PDF file. Okay. And this is for my members, the PDF file. Okay, let's open the PDF file. And here you go. You can now print it in the size of letter size or shorthand paper. Okay, let's continue. Okay, welcome back to another tutorial video. So after printing the pattern, let's cut it out using a scissor. Okay, once you're done with cutting, let's use a 1mm cardboard. And then by using a marker, let's trace the pattern on the cardboard. Hold it in place while tracing it, okay? And then proceed to the other patterns. As you can see, my marker has no ink left, so I use this pencil to trace it. Then once you're done with the other side, flip the pattern and then trace it again, just like this. And then the small pattern. Okay, when that's done, let's use a cutter for cutting out the patterns on the cardboard. Okay, be careful when doing this because you might cut yourself. Better call for someone who has experience on cutting cardboard, like an adult or your parents if you're a child, minor. Then once that's done, let's bend it so it can be glued perfectly. So we just need to curve these patterns on a concave shape like this. And when you're done curving this pattern, let's use a hot glue and then just follow the steps. Okay. Okay, let's start doing the paper mache. So if you're wondering what's this white I'm putting, it is a 50% white glue and 50% water. Okay, so by using a tissue paper and putting it in the mask while brushing it with the solution, this will make this mask more rigid and have some texture like rooted texture on the cardboard. So, and it will also make this mask more durable, so it has some strength while using it, so it won't fall like other of my tutorial, which is just a cardboard. So this process will make this mask more durable. Okay, so just follow the steps. I'm just putting layers of tissue paper on this cardboard, and after that I added 2 more layers. Okay, so what I did here is I just put a placeholder at the bottom so it doesn't touch the mat. So here's the first layer, and then I'll add another layer and another one. So this is in total of 3 layers of tissue paper. Okay, okay, when it's dry, let's cut out the excess tissue paper, make it more firm by trimming it out, and then let's paint it black with a acrylic paint of black. Okay, here's the dried paint of black, and then by using a eco bag, let's cut out a small piece of it, and then let's measure it by putting it in the center of the mask, the middle hole, like this. Then using a hot glue gun, let's place the eco bag while stretching it in the sideways so it's flat. Okay, then let's continue with the 2 other holes by putting a small piece of eco bag just like this. Okay, and while putting it, let's just stretch it in the side so it's flat, and trim out some excess fabric of this eco bag. Okay, so the eco bag is just like 7 pesos to 10 pesos depending on the size, so it's more cheap. And also you can see through this eco bag while painting it, so I tried seeing it through while painting it. So yes, you can see through it. Okay, so let's put a base of white on the center, and then on the sides let's put this sky blue color so it looks like it's glowing. And then once that's done, let's put it in the sides too, and then let's cover some of those blue which are overlapping. Okay, and okay, that's done. Okay, so here's the result. I just put a string on the loop, then here it is. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This is JetteCrafts, and thank you to my members, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.